Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we take the art of balloon crafting to new heights. Join us on a colorful journey filled with innovative balloon craft ideas that will inspire your creativity and brighten up any occasion. Get ready to learn step-by-step tutorials on creating stunning balloon backdrops for parties, weddings, and special events. Our expert crafters will guide you through the process of crafting whimsical balloon centerpieces that add a touch of elegance to your celebrations. Discover the magic of balloon sculptures as we transform ordinary latex and foil balloons into adorable animals, intricate shapes, and larger than life characters. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced balloon artist, our channel caters to all skill levels, offering tips, tricks, and techniques that will help you master the art of balloon twisting. Looking for unique gift ideas? Our channel is a treasure trove of balloon based gift concepts that are sure to put a smile on anyone's face. From personalized balloon bouquets to themed gift baskets, you will find endless inspiration for thoughtful presents. But that's not all. We also delve into the world of balloon decorations for seasonal events, showcasing how to create festive ornaments and displays that capture the spirits of holidays throughout the year.